Your appeal takes place during a hearing. Here's what to expect. Before your hearing, your appeal is assigned to an administrative law judge who is not affiliated with the Employment Development Department, also known as EDD. Upon assignment, a notice of hearing and a hearing information pamphlet is sent to all parties involved. Please read these items carefully as they contain important details about your hearing. Upon your arrival to the location noted on the notice of hearing, follow the posted instructions for checking in. The hearing file will be available for you to review before your hearing. Please note that it's illegal to write or remove anything from the file, and also illegal to remove the file from the waiting room.
Hello.
When you've completed your review, please return the file and remain in the waiting room so that you can hear the judge call your case.
Are the parties ready for the...
When the judge calls your case, let the judge know who you are and if you have witnesses. The judge will tell you if they can come into the hearing room with you. However, you have the right to be represented during the hearing by any person. And before the hearing begins, be sure to turn off all cell phones and pagers. During the hearing, the judge will explain the hearing procedure and the issues listed on your hearing notice. If you have any questions or you're not sure how to tell your story, please tell the judge. The judge will help you. And please note, the hearing will be recorded. The judge will review the papers in the file and ask if there's any legal reason they should not be considered in deciding the case. Although you may not agree with the papers, this is not a legal reason the judge cannot consider them. The judge will place the parties and witnesses under oath and take their testimony. The judge will ask each party and any witnesses questions. You will also have an opportunity to question every person who testifies. When it's your turn to speak, be sure to tell the judge all the important facts about each issue listed on your notice. If you filed your appeal late, you'll need to tell the judge why it was late. Give the judge any important papers you may have that relate to the issues in your case. If you hear anything said that is not true, tell the judge when it's your turn. Before the hearing ends, you will have an opportunity to make a closing statement that explains why you think the judge should decide the case in your favor. And at the end of the hearing, the judge will ask if the parties have anything further to say. If there is nothing further, the hearing ends and the party should leave the hearing room. After the hearing, a written decision will be mailed to you and EDD as soon as possible. If you do not agree with the judge's decision, you can appeal. For unemployment and disability cases, appeals must be filed within 20 days from the mailing date noted on the decision. For employment tax cases, appeals must be filed within 30 days from the mailing date noted on the decision. In order to make your hearing process go as smoothly as possible, remember to follow the instructions on your notice of hearing and hearing information pamphlets to be sure all important papers and witnesses are present at the hearing. If you change your address or telephone number, notify the Office of Appeals that sent you the notice. The Office of Appeals phone number is printed on the bottom left-hand part of the notice. And notify EDD. Their contact information can be found in the hearing information pamphlet provided to you. For assistance, call the Office